Friends, today I am going to show you the unbelievable. The Russian Kamaz truck is a powerhouse in the annual Dakar Rally, which is one of the most challenging and grueling off-road races in the world. The Kamaz truck is known for its impressive size, strength and durability, which allow it to overcome the most difficult sections and conditions. During the Dakar Rally, the Kamaz truck faces a variety of obstacles, including steep dunes, rocky terrain and unpredictable weather conditions. However, the team's experience and the rugged design of the truck allow them to overcome these challenges with ease. Friends, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of interesting things on the channel. Have a good view.